a dangerous antibiotic. Roshdravnadzor ordered 145,000 packages of drugs from India. Since the beginning of the year, Roshdravnadzor has released 11 series of Indian pharmaceutical drugs. Although doctors have recognized them as dangerous to health, their analogues from other series continue to be supplied to pharmacies and hospitals in Russia. The Sifat Pharma website also states that this LLC owns several factories, such as Sifat Sanoat, TB, Tajik and others. The Sifat Sanoat offers functional, stylish and comfortable clothing for medical workers, doctors, nurses, pharmacists, and cooks, a dangerous antibiotic. Idiev Kokimshak is the current chairman of the Sifat Sanoat workshop. Part 2. Monopoly and Fathers. Help to his daughter. What is a monopoly? A monopoly is a market structure in which a certain sector of the economy is in the hands of one company. Only it produces, and sells or provides services. Azda TV reports. In Tajikistan, most companies close to the president enjoy many privileges. A simple example, the Ismailit Somoni Hotel in Dushanbe, which was built by the brothers of Imomali Rahmon's wife, was supposed to be built in a year and a half, but its construction has been going on for more than 15 years, and it is exempt from taxes and customs duties almost every year. Also, a number of other companies, such as Avesto Group, Sifat Pharma, Amiri, etc., which are related to the president's relatives, have special privileges in the country and are supported and encouraged by the state. The economy is on the verge of collapse. Rahman's gift to his relative on Independence Day. Even regarding the opening of Sifat Pharma pharmacies, the Ministry of Health and Social Protection of the Population of the Republic of Tajikistan reports that the employees of the ministry are a group of journalists, and their main job is to deliver news. In 2019, Rahman will visit France and hold a meeting with investors from the French Republic.